Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and mute status on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, first go ahead, tap on this WhatsApp app, and once you have opened up your WhatsApp app, this kind of interface is gonna appear, right? Tap on this option called updates just right over here. Here in this section you will be able to see the status that people have updated for you. And here in this section you're going to go ahead, tap on the particular person's status and tap on three dot icon on top right corner, tap on mute. Now again confirm it. Now you have simply muted this person. You can see this muted option, right? If you simply want to unmute that person, you can again tap on the person story, tap on it, tap on three dot icon on top again, and tap on unmute and tap on unmute again. That is how you can simply mute somebody on your WhatsApp, and it's gonna work for every contact that you have saved. And if you got more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.